Welcome back to Reviewsinsidetv. Today we're taking a close look at the Miele Blizzard CX1 PureSuction PowerLine Bagless Canister Vacuum Cleaner in Graphite Gray. Now, the first thing that stands out about this vacuum is its sleek design paired with some pretty powerful features, all aimed at tackling everything from fine dust to pet hair across a variety of surfaces. But does it deliver on its promises? Let's find out. Right off the bat, the Miele Blizzard CX1 PureSuction is powered by a 1200-watt PowerLine motor, and it's packed with Vortex technology. What does that mean in real-world terms? Well, it's designed to create maximum suction power while ensuring efficient airflow. This means that you're not just picking up visible debris, but it's also great for fine dust, and if you suffer from allergies, the filtration system plays a big part here, which we'll get into shortly. The included AllTeQ universal floor head is perfect for various floor types. Whether you're dealing with wooden floors, carpets, or tiles, this floor head has you covered. It features wide thread lifters that help remove hair, lint, and fibers. Definitely a bonus for homes with pets or long-haired family members. For more delicate surfaces, you also get the Parquet Twister floor head, which is gentle yet effective on wood floors. Now, let's talk about convenience. With a 32-foot operating radius, this vacuum offers fantastic flexibility. You won't have to constantly switch outlets while cleaning your home, and the height-adjustable Comfort telescopic suction wand ensures that you can easily reach high or low spots without straining. Plus, it comes with all the right attachments: an upholstery nozzle, a crevice nozzle, and a dusting brush, making it easy to clean stairs, upholstery, and tight corners. The Hygiene Lifetime filter is another highlight. It doesn't require maintenance, and it offers an impressive 99.98% dust retention rate, which is crucial if you're sensitive to fine particles. Whether you're cleaning up dust, pollen, or pet dander, this feature is a game changer for anyone with allergies. When you put the Miele Blizzard CX1 PureSuction to work, it performs well across different flooring types. On hard floors, it picks up dust and debris without scattering anything around. On carpets, the suction is strong enough to pull embedded dirt and pet hair without missing a beat. As for pet owners, this vacuum shines when it comes to lifting fur and fibers, thanks to the wide thread lifters on the AllTeQ floor head. For more specialized tasks, the Parquet Twister head handles delicate wooden floors with ease, while the crevice nozzle is great for hard-to-reach places. The only downside here? It can be a bit heavy to maneuver for some, especially when it's fully extended, but it's nothing that feels unmanageable with a little practice. Another noteworthy feature is the vacuum's bin capacity. Being a bagless model, it's easy to see when the bin is full, but you'll likely need to empty it more frequently if you have a large home or if you're tackling big messes. That said, the dustbin is fairly easy to empty, and it's a lot cleaner than traditional bags in terms of reducing dust clouds when you dump it. Noise is a big consideration for any vacuum, and while the Miele Blizzard CX1 PureSuction isn't exactly whisper quiet, it's not overly loud either. It falls within the average range for canister vacuums, so unless you're extremely noise sensitive, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. Let's talk about the build quality. Miele is known for making durable products, and this vacuum is no exception. The materials feel solid, and the connections are sturdy. The telescoping wand is easy to adjust, and the hose feels flexible enough for most cleaning jobs without kinking. However, the vacuum is not the lightest option out there, and it can feel bulky when dragging it behind you, especially when compared to more compact models. As for value, the Miele Blizzard CX1 PureSuction is priced at the higher end of the spectrum. But given its strong suction, excellent filtration, and versatile attachments, it offers solid performance across multiple surfaces. If you're willing to invest in a vacuum that delivers on power, filtration, and durability, this is a great option. However, if you're looking for something more budget-friendly, or if you don't need the high-end filtration and specialized floor heads, there are definitely alternatives worth considering. Now, in terms of competition, there are a few vacuums at a similar price point that might catch your attention. For example, models like the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 or the Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional are good alternatives for people looking for strong suction and versatility. However, neither of those models offers the same level of filtration as the Miele, particularly when it comes to trapping fine dust particles. The Dyson has a strong suction power, right? But it lacks a dedicated parquet floor head and doesn't handle pet hair quite as efficiently as the Miele. When it comes to build quality, maintenance, and longevity, Miele typically has a reputation for durable products that last years with minimal issues. This vacuum is no different, with a design that's easy to maintain, whether it's cleaning the filter or removing hair from the brush roll. The lifespan of the motor and the overall reliability should be a plus if you're concerned about the long-term investment. You can expect a solid performance year after year with the proper care. So to sum it up, the Miele Blizzard CX1 PureSuction PowerLine is a solid choice for those looking for a high-performance bagless canister vacuum. It's especially ideal for homes with a mix of hard floors and carpets, pet owners, and those with allergies due to its excellent filtration system. The build quality and versatility with multiple floor heads make it a great all-around cleaner for most situations, but it might not be the best option if you're on a tight budget or need something ultra lightweight. If you're considering picking up the Miele Blizzard CX1, feel free to check out the link in the comments below for more details. As always, if you have any questions or experiences with the vacuum, don't hesitate to drop a comment. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your floors clean and your vacuuming effortless.